Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing my puppies today. Yes. So yeah, let's go and meet the puppies.
Yung tipo yung bangus.
Aww. They're just vibing there, you know. I'm gonna go outside. Okay. Hi. They're always excited to see us, you know, but at least they keep company for each other. But I mean, like, they're brothers and sisters. Hey, here. You guys love. They're just waiting for other people to come. But oh boy. Oreo, say hi. Mitski, say hi. Just, did you hear something? Say hi. So there's Oreo. Say hi, Mitski. She doesn't really like saying hi, but it's okay. Well, that's it for showing my dogs. But here's closer looks at them. So there's Oreo. And then there's Mitski. She just immediately looks away from the camera.